There's a special society out there. Its members don't need an alarm clock to wake up. They don't need an inspirational poster to remind them that every day is an adventure. It's a society of athletes and explorers, with members who aren't afraid to get dirty. For them, sit, stay, and roll over aren't commands. They're a password. And in this society, everyone knows the handshake. And even when this society is unable to meet, they can count on each other. They are always connected, always close by, always looking out for each other. Because they are linked by a bond that cannot be broken.
The new MacBook shouldn't change the way you work. With this USB-C to USB-A mini adapter, connect all your USB devices to your MacBook. It's not plastic, it's not bulky, and it doesn't take up unnecessary space. The mini adapter was designed in Germany to be an extension of everything that you love about the new MacBook. It's slim, portable, powerful, and made out of aluminium alloy, the same stuff as your new MacBook. Get back into your flow. Transfer your files at USB super speed, up to 5 gigabytes per second. Charge up your phone wherever you are. Leave it plugged in and carry it anywhere you go. The USB-C to USB-A mini adapter by Nonda.
When you're busy, there are just too many important items to remember. That's why there's TrackR Pixel, the coin-sized device that can make any item unlosable. Simply attach TrackR Pixel to any item you'd like to track. Pair it with the TrackR app, and you'll be able to quickly find it. Running late and can't find your keys? Use the TrackR app to make them ring. Can't find the TV remote? Use the TrackR app to make it light up. And when you can't find your phone, with the touch of a button, TrackR Pixel will ring it for you even on silent mode. With TrackR, your search is over.